AR Genie AI wireless camera, hands-free remote support and automated inspections, a compact, head-mounted solution designed to deliver intelligent, real-time AI-powered remote support for frontline teams. Extended power with swappable battery. Runs over 4 hours on a lightweight battery pack, with swappable batteries for uninterrupted, long shift performance. Seamless smartphone integration, connects via Bluetooth to a smartphone and is fully controlled through the AR Genie app. Just tap to pair and configure instantly. Quick Wi-Fi setup. Configure Wi-Fi directly through the app to stream secure, high-definition video in real time. AI-powered remote assistants join a remote session by entering a session code. Live video is instantly monitored by AI for real-time insights and support. Live detection and smart feedback. The AI bot detects people, tools, and objects, delivering live audio guidance as you work. Custom AI ready. Easily plug in your own AI models to analyze live video and audio, tailored to your specific workflows and inspections. How it works: AR Genie AI wireless camera. The camera joins a cloud-hosted multi-user video session managed by a selective forwarding unit, SFU. Multiple AI agents can process the live video and audio in real time, offering intelligent, automated assistance. A remote expert can also join the session to guide the field technician, enabling faster fixes, smarter collaboration, and minimal downtime.